If you want to call Facebook support team or if you want to message Facebook support team, then today's video will to help you. So hello everybody, SAF Singapore here, and today I'll show you how to chat Facebook support team or how to call Facebook support team. Then just open the browser and search Facebook chat number in the search bar and then click enter, and you can see in the first site that is help center option. Just click on that. After that you will see lots of options there. Just click on the privacy and security option. After that you will see an option that was this helpful. So in this section just click on no and then click to the other option, and then you will see a text box. Just type your text and click submit option. After that Facebook will send you a mail and Facebook will contact you, and then you can also contact with Facebook. So that's the process how you can contact with Facebook support team or how you can call Facebook support team, and then you can also ask their number for calling. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.